Welcome everybody to Bermuda's Climate Classroom.
So this year we're really focusing on data literacy for the climate classroom. At BIOS there's a lot of great research being done, and we want to facilitate understanding of that research through fun and games, interactive workshops with the students, just trying to increase their data literacy, being able to understand what we're doing at ASU BIOS.
I've learned that there's so much more to the ocean than we think it is. I've learned that a lot of energy transfers through marine life and just in general.
Data is actually really important. We did games learning about data. We got to do a VR experience, like this thing where you gotta look into a fish's belly and sort out these cool things.
It's important to learn about the ocean when you're young because we have some different animals, different species and stuff, and I think it's very important to know what's in your country.
I think that kids learn more when they're doing rather than sitting and writing, so this experience is one that's going to leave a lasting impression.
I'm definitely learning a lot, and it's just a lot easier to remember things that I'm learning because it's fun and interactive.
For this challenge, it needed us to have a lot of coordination and put in a lot of effort and teamwork.
We've designed Climate Classroom this year to be around a focus of data literacy. And so each of the challenges that have been designed have a tool and an ability for the student to collect, interpret, and visualize different data. They might be building a pie chart, a histogram, or they might be even counting something like a zooxanthellae inside a coral.
It's giving them the experience of actually collecting the data, fully understanding the cycle of that, getting through to the analysis, and making sense of what it means.
This was an incredible experience. I enjoyed BIOS greatly. In a new space, new area, your brain thinks more, and it's just better for you.
So yeah, BIOS is a really cool place to do.